Why has northern Ethiopia experienced repeated conflicts over the years? Recent heavy artillery battles and drone strikes in Tigray have reignited fears of a full-scale war, making this crisis urgent for the region and the world. Northern Ethiopia's Tigray region has seen a sharp rise in violence, with reports of heavy artillery battles and drone strikes. This escalation has alarmed both local populations and international observers, raising fears that the conflict could spiral back into full-scale war. Troop concentrations along regional borders are increasing, creating a highly volatile situation that threatens national stability. The repeated conflicts in northern Ethiopia stem largely from contested regional borders and ethnic rivalries. As troop concentrations build along these borders, long-standing grievances and political disputes resurface. The situation is exacerbated by the involvement of multiple armed groups and shifting alliances, which complicate peace efforts and prolong instability. The renewed fighting in northern Ethiopia has forced thousands of civilians to flee or become stranded in dangerous zones. This humanitarian crisis worsens as access to aid is restricted by ongoing hostilities. The fear and uncertainty gripping local communities highlight the urgent need for a peaceful resolution to prevent further suffering. International organizations and neighboring countries are closely monitoring the situation. The potential return to war in Tigray threatens regional stability and could have wider implications for East Africa. Diplomatic efforts are underway, but face significant challenges given the complexity of the conflict and the deep-rooted tensions involved. What this means for you is the potential impact on global peace and security. Conflict in northern Ethiopia could disrupt markets, displace more civilians, and deepen humanitarian crises. Staying informed helps you understand this unfolding situation and its broader consequences. Subscribe for updates as the story develops.